No sé si estamos. Creo que estamos. Volvimos. Sí, te están escuchando, Tali. Tali me dice, explicarles que estamos teniendo problemas de conexión. Estamos teniendo problemas de conexión, por eso no podíamos conectarnos. Bueno, a ver... Manda beijo. Les mando un beso muy grande. A ver... Bueno, y ahora no sé cómo sería, ¿tá? Si nos conectamos o no nos conectamos todos juntos. A ver, fíjate.
Ah, the Vamps joined.
¿Y ahora estamos juntos?
I think you have to swipe left. Which way's left? Oh god, I don't want to be on it.
¿Y para allá? ¿Ahí?
¡Ay!
¿Esas? ¿Y ahora? ¿Me sale bien?
Muy bien.
Invite him.
¡Ay!
¿Y ahora, a ver? ¿Pudimos?
Sí.
¡Sí! ¡Hello!
Do you want me to go?
Hello! Hello!
Hi!
Hey.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
So good to see you.
It's finally nice to meet you, eventually.
Yeah.
By FaceTime.
Congratulations on your #1.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So
It's
exciting.
our #1 in a way. Thank you very much.
How are you? Good?
We're
Very
good.
good.
We're good. We're at a Musically event upstairs in a weird room. We'll show you. Hold on.
Really,
Wow.
really nice. Quite strange.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you get a #1. You get upgraded to the stairs.
Tired.
Where
Yeah.
are you at the moment?
I'm in Spain. Look.
Madrid.
Let's have a look.
Oh, that's really nice.
No,
That's a much better view than ours.
See?
we
You?
got
Yeah.
a little view. We got the shoot.
To be fair.
It's so hot here.
It's nice. It
Looks
looks really
nice.
nice.
Nice. Hace mucho calor. Calor.
Hace mucho calor.
Merci.
Hace mucho calor.
Hace mucho
Yeah.
calor. Calor.
Eso.
Where are you coming to the UK? Are you on tour at the moment in Spain or just promo? Are you...
I want to go. I want to go.
You should
with
come.
you.
Have you ever been? Have
Sorry?
you ever been to the UK?
Yes, I've been like 4, 5 times.
Oh, very nice.
Yes, a lot.
Very nice. Okay, well, you'll have to come back.
It's beautiful.
It is.
It's beautiful.
What's your favourite part of the UK?
Charlie help me.
You've only been to
No, pero fui también a, bueno, London. Fui también.
London.
Notting Hill.
What?
¿Me escuchan?
Say, what was that? Sorry.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Ellos pueden leer los comentarios de la gente?
I don't know. I think so.
See,
A
we
ver.
have a question to ask you.
Yes, tell me.
Basically,
So,
we-
tell me what you want,
Like,
Sorry.
but before that, basically, we're coming to South America in September. We're going to play a few shows, and we're playing Brazil and Argentina. And we were wondering if you would like to come out and play It's a Lie at those shows, if you were available, if you could get some time. No.
No.
Yeah, we'd love you to. We'd love
Oh
you to.
my God!
Yeah, that'd be awesome. And it'd be like the first time. It'd be the first time we've ever properly played the song like
That
so.
would be so fun. Thank you so much.
And then we'll go
Muchas
have some
gracias.
steak and red wine afterwards because it's amazing there. I don't
Yeah.
know if you eat
Wow,
vegetarian or
thank you.
we'll deal with it.
Thank you. I'm so happy. I'm going to say this in Spanish. Que los chicos van a estar en Argentina, en el Luna Park, y también van a estar en Brasil cantando en San Pablo, y me acaban de invitar para que vaya a cantar con ellos la canción que canté en su nuevo disco. y esto acaba de pasar en este momento, así que no lo puedo creer, que estoy muy, muy, muy feliz. Thank you very much.
Oh, that's
thank you, I'm
right.
so
Thank
happy.
you.
Thank
We
you.
can't wait
Thank you.
for it.
Woo! But you have to learn Spanish a little bit.
Teach us.
We will.
We are the Vamps
Hola,
and we
hola
are number
Argentina.
one.
You have to say hola Argentina.
Teach us something.
Hola Argentina. Hola Argentina. ¿Cómo están?
Hola, Tina. ¿Cómo estás?
You know a bit of Spanish.
Actually, he
don't
does.
you?
Los amo. Los amo is I love you.
I love you
What
too.
is
Te amos.
Los amo is I
Los
love you.
amo.
Los
Los amo.
Y eu te amo is in portugués.
Very close.
Very close.
You'll have to. When next time you're in the UK, you're gonna have to play a show with us as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
We'll do a little bit of dancing. The pop. It's a tune that you can dance to, isn't it? So it's good.
Thank you. Yes. I'm so happy.
Thank you.
It's lovely to meet you finally. Thank you again for being on the tune.
And thank you for having me on your album also.
No, it's a pleasure. You made it
It's
so much
amazing.
better. Thank you so much.
You're amazing, guys. Thank
We
you.
have to shoot off now, but we love you. We'll see you soon. And
Me too.
we can't wait to see you in Brazil and Argentina.
Muchas gracias.
Bye-bye.
See
Bye.
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
How do we leave? I don't know how to
Bye.
go.